Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today I'm going to show you a hair mask. In summers, the scalp over here, it gets oily and the ends get dry, and because of the sweating and the hot climate, the dirt, it gathers on the scalp. Now how do we do deep conditioning and cleansing of our hair? So today I'm going to show you a hair mask. It is another hair mask made up of castor oil and curd. These are the two main ingredients from which we're gonna make the mask, and you're gonna get the result. I've just washed my hair. It's been an hour, I think. It's still wet, but you can see how my hair looks. I'm really feeling good. It has cleansed my scalp really well. We're gonna put lemon also in it, so it has cleansed my scalp a lot, to a lot of extent, and it has even given me nice nourished and hydrated hair. So without wasting further ado, let's get started to the video so that you get to know my secret of another hair mask, what I do at my home. This deep conditioning, cleansing and purifying hair mask, you need 3 ingredients, not 6, 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient that I have is this. Now this is curd. I have taken this quantity because my hair are thick and long. That is why if your hair are short, you can take less amount of it. But I need to, massage it all on my scalp and my roots. That is why I have taken so much. Now, I have taken half a lemon. I will be adding lemon in it. Lemon is very good to cleanse your skin. In summers, your hair, the scalp and everything gets oily. It gets really dirty because of the humid climate. So lemon is good for cleansing all that away. Because if your scalp is clean, if your scalp is nice, your hair are already working on the straight path to go on a beautiful, long, luscious locks and healthy. So now the third ingredient that I have is this. Now this is castor oil. In Hindi you call it Erandi Tel. So it's not necessary there's a specific brand for this. You can take any brand, whichever you want. I will be pouring 1, 2 and 3 bars. Because it is very thick in consistency, this much is enough. So 1 tablespoon proper, you can say. Now we'll be mixing all these together really well. You need to mix it that well so that the oil doesn't be on the surface. It gets mixed with the curd. It is mixed now. Now let's apply on the hair. So I prefer doing a partition from between. As you all know, any oil, any mask, I like applying it like this only. And now, just a moment, camera is shaking. Have to manage. So, massage it from your root to tips. Massage it really well, at least for 10 to 15 minutes, and if not that much time, at least for 5 minutes you need to. So I'll be applying on my whole hair because I really like this. Once a week I prefer deep conditioning my hair, and if I'm not doing this, I always love applying my banana hair mask. You can see the demo and the review of the hair mask what I have given. So let me apply everywhere. I have applied it on my hair and whole hair length. You can see it. I'm gonna take it all behind. Tie it in a bun. As always, I would like to tell you, even this mask is a little messy procedure, but really very nice for your hair, and you are surely gonna love this mask. You have to keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you need to wash your hair with a nice cleansing and purifying shampoo and a conditioner. Let your hair air dry. Do not use any heat protectant on it, and then you see the results and you're gonna love it. So I would suggest you, especially in summers, this mask, the hair mask or the deep conditioning mask, you can use it every once a week. You're surely gonna get the bouncy, healthy, clean, shiny, smooth and what not kind of a hair, whatever you wish for. So please do try it out, this mask, and let me know in the comment section below that if you like it or no, and if it was helpful for you or no, because for me it is always helpful for my hair. As you can see, you all know how my hair looks and everything, so this is because of all the DIYs that I try at home. So if you like this mask, please do give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.